So now that we've talked about the respiratory or the gas exchange system in humans and how ventilation happens, we can talk about gas exchange in the lungs. So we know that the alveoli are the site of gas exchange, and we have a constant diffusion gradient maintained at the alveoli because of ventilation. Alveoli are adapted to being efficient gas exchange sites because they are thin, they are partially permeable, and they have a large surface area. We also have a good medium for exchange, which is air, and we also have the internal medium, which is blood. These, these alveoli are highly vascularized. Being thin is actually one of the reasons why alveoli are located inside of the body as compared to outside. So this system is located inside of the body for many reasons actually, but mainly to protect the alveoli because the alveoli are very vulnerable since they are thin. So what do alveoli do in gas exchange? We have around 300 million alveoli in the human body, and a total surface area of all of them together is about 70 meters squared. That's around half a tennis court. If you laid out all of your alveoli next to each other, flat on the ground, they would make half a tennis court. Every alveolus is lined with epithelial cells, and they are 0.05 micrometers to zero point 0.3 micrometers thick. They are very thin structures. And we have a network of pulmonary capillaries, which are narrow, surrounding these alveoli. And the narrowness of these capillaries also makes them efficient for gas exchange. The capillary walls are literally one single layer thick. So that's 0.04 micrometers to zero point 0.2 micrometers.